Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo eNingizimu Afrika isimphosele inselela owayenguMongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. Lenkantolo ithi uZuma makaye kwikomishana kaZondo eyophendula imibuzo ayeke ukubaleka.
Mr. Jacob Zuma is ordered to obey all summonses and directives lawfully issued by the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture, corruption, and fraud in the public sector, including organs of state. 5. Mr. Jacob Zuma is directed to appear and give evidence before the Commission on dates determined by it.
Lenkantolo iphinde yathi uZuma akanalo ilungelo lokuvele athule engayiphenduli imibuzo.
It is declared that Mr. Jacob Zuma does not have a right to remain silent in proceedings before the Commission. 7. It is declared that Mr. Jacob Zuma is entitled to all privileges under Section 3 sub 4 of the Commissions Act, including the privilege against self-incrimination.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo iphinde yamqondisa izigwegwe uZuma ngokungawuthobeli aphinde angawuhloniphi umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika.
The former president's conduct is a direct breach of the rule of law, which forms part of that constitution. In our system, no one is above the law. Even those who had the privilege of making laws are bound to respect and comply with those laws.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo isimgqeme ingozi wayenguMongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ithi makaye kwikomishana kaZondo ephenya ngokuthi uhulumeni wayebanjwe ngobhongwana futhi mayifika kule komishana wayenguMongameli uZuma kumele aphendule yonke imibuzo ezobe ehlonywa iyona abameli bale komishana. Ngikusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze SABC eGoli.